Okay guys, here's number 4. So on number 4, and I believe I said this in the hints, I called 0 to be 0 reference point for height to be along this line right here. Just the line of the sorry, I'm having a hard time making. So this is 0. We're going to measure 0 from here. Looks a little bit like confetti. Okay, so if I look at this, there's a spring, there's an object, and there's the earth. So I think I'm going to say the spring, right, the object, and the earth are my system. They're all connected. Again, you're going to use a double arrow. It is now 6:16 on Thursday, and I'm out of town tomorrow, Friday, so I'm exhausted and starving. So double arrow, double arrow, double arrow. I just don't have a good ring. So if I make the dash line, oh, don't even know how that happened. If I make the dash line here, that shows the system. Ideally, I would do it in orange or some other color. And remember, if something's over here and I have to draw a line to it, then it's external to the system. So I'm going to make my circles, and I'm going to look at, initially it seems to me to be all spring. Yeah. And then it shoots it up. The spring is completely extended, so now it's got height and velocity. So if I go here, I'm going to say that I have some kinetic, right? And some gravitational, because I have height. Yeah. And then at the very top, where it's no longer moving, I know that because there's no arrow next to it, then it's going to be all gravitational. So that's pretty straightforward. I hope I put in the hints no air, because that's how I worked this one.